Since back to school under the new model as a result of COVID-19, buyers are reconsidering their living space. Among the top three things buyers want is a home that allows faster internet speed. Currently, about 26% of Maryland residents do not have access to any type of internet. Of the remaining 74%, there are serious limitations to their speed and connectivity depending upon the location within the state. Baltimore City has the most connectivity and the fastest internet speeds in all of Maryland. So, as many buyers consider moving to rural, suburban, and smaller cities, communities that lack internet access and higher speeds may keep buyers tethered to homes within the larger city who have internet access. This past week, Maryland saw more homes hit the market than in the prior week. It's Friday, October 9th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Average days on the market is at 29 before homes went under contract over this past week. Rentals are still in short supply and down statewide to 1,663 with a median price of $1,800 per month. Since last Friday's report, there are 1,153 homes coming soon, priced from $22,500 in Earlville to a Glen Echo Heights estate for $2,699,000. 1,867 went active with a Baltimore townhouse for $4,950 to a waterfront estate in Harwood, Maryland for $5,490,000. 886 homes went under contract from a Baltimore row house for $15,000 to an estate in Potomac for $3,995,000. 1,523 moved to pending since last week. Baltimore City again with a total rehab needed at $1,000 to a waterfront estate in St. Michael's Island for $4,200,000. 1,307 closed in the past week with a rehab in the city of Baltimore for $8,000 to a contemporary in Bethesda for $4,100,000. 1,582 are temporarily off the market. 281 are temporarily off just since last Friday. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Overall, inventory remains on the low side despite more homes coming to market this past week, and there have been fewer contracts secured over the past week. Do you happen to have a question about your specific circumstances? Give us a call at 443-776-0996 because we have answers to help you make intelligent decisions about the real estate market locally. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening in Maryland at a local level. That's it for Friday, October 9th, 2020. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be here next Friday with what you need to know about the Maryland real estate market. Have a great one.